Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Zamboanga Airport. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. Please check the surroundings and ensure do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have loose during the flight. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Labaco, with First Officer Batong Baka,